This video shows how to buy shares of C3.ai Inc. and covers the basic steps you need to know. C3.ai is an enterprise AI software company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AI. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker AI to locate the stock. Then select the result that clearly corresponds to C3.ai Inc. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have the correct C3.ai listing. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker AI. Click the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you may see an option to place a pending order or execution at the next open. If your available balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the order completes. Once the trade executes, your C3.ai position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.